Bilis, I can take photo. Si Kuya wala. Wait. Honey, don't move. Okay. See ya.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Mom. Bye,
Good luck. Okay. I'll give you some now. Here.
Give me two. So I can
And yeah, give one for Sophie too. This one. This is it. Okay. Bye.
Is Jackie here? Ah!
Hi, Jug. Oh, pareho kayo. You have the same.
Oh, yeah, I'll have one. Oh. Thank you. Who said tags? Huh? Who said?
Where are you going, boys? Say hi to my vlog. Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Why? Oo nga, hindi pa ako nakabihis.
Jesus Christ, what everyone. Hello, Cam.
You should go to that house. It's alright, nahiya siya kanina.
Alright.
The one with the drinks. Have you been there?
No.
You have to go there. Where's Zach? You're waiting for Zach.
Huh?
You're waiting for Zach. Zach is getting his bike.
Yeah.
Where's your bike?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Jack.
Thank you.
Kuya, hi. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Declan. Oh, is that Declan, hon?
Yes.
Yeah, at the end.
At the end. And what's the other one?
Mason, Kate, and Olive.
Cade. Okay. Sila yung mga grupong walang costumes. And nagbihis lang ako, guys. Kasi sabi ni Jan, hindi raw pwedeng nakaroba kung namimigyan tayo. Oh, look at him! Zachary.
I've even been to one here.
See you, Zach. Good luck! Nice weather today, huh? But a bit cold. Hindi mo naka-jacket siya kasi malamig. Hi, Holly girl.
Oh, Zach!
Wow. They should go there now. I'll go with you, Baba. Baba.
Sophie, that'll be in a minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with them to get some drinks.
No. We're not going there. No, you can't.
Oh, see? Tingnan nyo na sila, guys. Ayaw na nila akong sumama.
He's not following.
Oh!
Over there, Dad. Dad, other side. Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, bleeding.
Bye, Holly.
Yeah. Fell over on the way.
I know.
Hi, kids.
Hi. Look at them, Baba. See, look. They got a lot of red. Hi.
Hey, guys.
Where's Sophie, hon? Zach, slow down, Zach.
You gotta grab it.
Yeah, you can pick one with the light.
Last one over.
Yeah, Mum, change it.
Teaser, good pick.
No,
Change your mind. Which one are you gonna pick? Smarties. Oh, thank you. Put it in your bag. You say
Oh, that's cute. May maliit silang backpack.
come with the outfit. Didn't even have to get a bucket, did we?
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Marami pa tayo dun sa loob.
Look at Flynn.
Where's, oh, I told you that's Flynn.
Fletcher.
Fletcher, yeah.
Fletcher and...
Hi, cute.
Hello, how's it going?
Hi.
Where are you going tonight?
Dear side, do you want me to hold some of your activities? Yeah. You say thank you, guys.
Thank you. Can I have some?
Of course.
Yeah, we've lost a kid.
Have we? Who have we done in?
No, he's up there. It's alright.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Thought you were hiding in the shed, not doing it, mate. Wow. Oh, look. Hold on, bro. Yeah, grab one. You can get one. You already got one, mate.
This one has
You already got one, mate.
Hi, Charlie.
There you go.
Hi.
No, I know her, that little girl.
Okay.
Good, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll just...
Kawawa naman siya. Hinihintay niya pa rin si Sophie. Wala pa rin si Sophie. Marami ng kids na dumaan.
Oh. straight in front.
What do you say?
Just go straight. There we go, boys.
See ya!
Go fill her up.
Alright, mag-refill na tayo. Oops! Okay, ayan. Nalagyan na natin siya ulit. Here you go, Han. Oh, Han. Pick that one, Papa. Okay. Yung ibang mga kaidaran ni Kuya, nahihiya na sila. Hi! You can choose. You're welcome. Welcome. Hi. You can pick whatever you want there. Hi. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's Skittles under somewhere there. If you like Skittles.
Thank you.
Welcome. Wala pa rin si Sophie. Hi. Oh my God. You look scary, Ive. Hi.
Thank you. Thanks, Toy.
I have a hole in my bag. So
Oh.
Bye-bye. What are you doing?
Hi. Hi. Look at him.
what do you say?
Hi, Belle.
Holly, would you like one from me?
Say thank you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. What do you say?
Go bring it back here. Thanks.
Welcome.
Oh, down.
Kasi, tingnan nyo yung bag nila. Oh, ang laki. Is it full? Not yet. Not yet. Alright. See ya. Hi. Look at you. I didn't recognize you. Alright. We're gonna fill it up again. So, ito na yung pangatlong load natin dito sa bowl. There's more kids coming. Oops. Here, Baba. Yes?
I heard you're a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Can you do a shout out for me?
Alright, go shout out.
Hudson987, please.
Okay, say it. Do you have a YouTube channel? Okay, shout out. Say, subscribe to your channel.
Go subscribe to Hudson987.
Alright, thank you. Guys, subscribe daw kayo sa kanya. You're welcome. Bumalik pa talaga siya. Gawin ko yung yung mga natitira pa kasi. Yeah, call me, okay? Wala pa rin si Sophie. Kawawa rin si Ol. Wala pa siya nakukolekta. Yeah? Alright. So, gawin ko yung ibang. Okay, call me. Kasi mauubos na naman. Ang daming kids. Wala na. So, magbalat ulit tayo. Ayan na guys, lahat. Wala nang bag. So, naubos natin yung isang bag na ganito. And, yeah. Eto na lang yung last. And that's it. Han! Oh. Where's Ollie? With Sophie now? With Sophie?
Yeah.
There's more kids. Okay. Meron pang konti doon na natira. Ilabas lang muna natin ito kasi ang daming kids na parating. Ayan pa yung mga bata. Hey, go, Han, Ayan si Holly. Where's Sophie, Han?
With Maddie and...
Is that Sophie? Hi! Ang mga lifeguard pala sila. Ayan.
Well, you better go grab one.
Come on, Holly!
No, oh no! Get in! Oh, yes, yeah. Oh, that one. Hey, John. Thank you, John. Thank you, baby nuts! Truck or treat! Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye! Ayan na sila. Ayan na yung hinihintay ni Holly. Okay, thank you, girl. See ya. Have fun.
Stay on there, get some good ones.
Yeah, get some drinks. Oh, gusto ko sumamahan. Go. I'm gonna wanna get some. No, I wanna see what's the decoration this year. Kasi maganda yung bahay na yun. Lagi may pa-decoration. Tapos naman ako magbalot eh. Ito yung bahay ni Tommy. Ayan. Puno na naman siya ng pa-decoration dito. Oh, may pa-sound pa siya. Ang ganda ng decoration. Magugulat kayo sa kanya. Ay, wala na. Umiikot yung kanyang ulo. Ang tagal naman. Ayan. Nandito si Brody sa amin. Dinala niya yung lolis niya dito. Ang cute ng kanyang paan. Pasiso doon, no?
We love you. Not watching.
Look at that.
Thank you, Brody.
Down the car.
Tingnan yung car niya, oh. May decoration din. Is TJ here and Zach?
DJ's just in there.
Yeah.
Zach.
Not sure where Zach is.
Dito tayo sa bahay na laging may pa soft drinks. Nasaan na yung girls? Ano pa sila sa kabila? Hintayin natin. Come on, girls. Come on, let's go in.
Great.
There you go, your Holly.
Come on.
Get ya?
There's Cora, Holly. You see Cora? Hi, Cora. It's been a while. Magka-classmates sila before. Okay, let's go in here. Come on. Come on. Ito yung decoration this year. Every year nandito tayo, di ba? Ito yung may pa soft drinks. Ayan. Ayan. Hi. Oh. Akala ko mga totoong ibon. Oh, there's more Coke. Come on. Hi. Hi. I get one, okay?
I'm obviously getting one.
Here, Baba. You want to get one?
No, thanks.
Yeah.
I'll get one.
100 too.
That was 100 bags, and there was 100 drinks,
100 drinks and it's
and
gone.
they gone.
100 drinks. Wala na.
That's it.
Yeah. Ando na sila kuya and yung mga ka-breaks nila. Ito yung mga big kids na hindi na nagko-costume. Hi! Are you done, Zach? Not yet. Ang tawag na nila kay Kuya Yani. So sila kuya, yung grupo ni kuya walang costumes. Si Zach at saka si meron? Say Jai's bag? Is it full? Oh, uwian na sila guys. Anong oras na ba? 6:16. Wala pa tayong dinner. Ayan, yes! That's the one. Etong gusto ko. Treat! Thank you. Ito. Hindi ko to nakita. Masarap to guys. Di ba meron din tayo nito? Quintas to. Or bracelet. Thank you! I got more. So, itong gusto ko. Candy bracelet. Thank you, Han. Wala pa rin tayong ligo. Halatang walang ligo. Tapos na magluluto na ako ng dinner. And yung natirang chocolates or yung binalot natin. Ayan, nagtira si Jan para baon niya raw bukas. And para dun sa kanyang kasama sa work. Ayan. Ito binigay sa akin ni Brian kasi gusto ko tong, ito ba yung lolis na bracelet. So, ayan yung natira. So, nabalot natin na ganitong size is 100. Kasi 100 pieces yung bag na yon. And, eto, hindi ko to nailabas. But, yeah. So, 110. Kasi eto, 10 pieces, 10 bags na ganito yung nagawa ko yung una. So, ayan yung natira. Tatlo yan. And, tatlo nito, oh. Diba? Ang daming bata ngayon. Every year dumadami ang bata. So, linisin ko to and magluto na ako ng pasta. Yung sauce na lang naman eh. Wala nang laman ang mga to. And yung mga bata nasa likod. Ayan sila. Naglalaro sila ng cricket. Ayan si Sak magbabat. Okay. Papatuloy ko na yung ating ginagawa dito. So, iwain lang natin yung sibuyas. Yung mga bata, hindi ko alam kung anong oras uuwi yung mga kaibigan nila kuya. Tsaka ni Sak. Pas ano na, dinner. Kasi ang dinner dito guys, usually dito sa bahay namin. And some of John's friend, ganun din. 6 o'clock, dinner na yan. Pas 6 na. Pas 6 na. 6:37 na. Madaliin ko lang to. Kasi madali lang naman to. Kasi yung ilalagay kong protein, yung meat ba, is yung roasted chicken. Yung nabili ko sa Coles. Yun yung ilalagay ko. So, isusutay ko lang to. And, yeah, okay. Ayan. Narinig yung mga bata. Ang lakas ng mga boses nila. So, magsutay na tayo doon. Ayan. Tumawag sa akin si Broily. Sabi niya sa akin, mag-drive daw ako doon. May street siyang sinabi sa akin kasi may magandang bahay raw na nag-decorate ng Halloween. Ang ganda raw. Pati yung sa loob, naka-costume daw. So sabi ko, pag natapos ko to, and maliligo tayo, baka makapag-drive ako doon. Tingnan natin if makaya ng oras natin. Wala pa si Holly. Kasama niya pa rin sila, yung mga girls. Si Maddie at saka si Sophie. Kasama niya pa rin. Wala pa sila dito. Lagay tayo ng avocado oil. Hihimayin ko pa pala yung chicken. Himayin natin yung chicken. Buti hindi umulan this year. Kasi last year ata umulan. Umulan ata last year. Hinaan ko muna ito. Kasi himayin ko pa pala ito. Ito yung kinain ko kagabi, yung pakpak, yung wings, tsaka yung isang leg.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was right to play my part.
Ilalagay ko tong Alfredo sauce. Yung nabili ko rin sa Coles. And then, lagay natin yung pinakulan natin tubig sa pasta. Tama ba? Nasaan na yung takip nito? Ano nilagay yung takip? Ayun. First time kong maglagay. Kasi ako gumagawa ng sarili kong white sauce. But, madalian nga tong ating ginagawa.
Potato, babe?
Yeah. Where's Holly, hon?
Hooray. She's wrong.
You see her?
I left the. I laid me tea. I left another one going just to get that bit going. That's all good water.
Oh, so you're still watering.
I've got one sprinkler going now.
Sprinkler, so meron pa raw siyang... So, change niya. How many sprinkler do you have? 2?
2.
So it's not enough? So you have to...
No, it was enough, but I just had to get some bits where it missed.
We're having chicken Alfredo, hon. Okay, tayong cream. May truffle. Ano pala ako dyan? Lagyan natin tong truffle. Ubusin ko na yan. Truffle spices. Nasaan ka ito? Ano yung truffle? Chicken Alfredo truffle. Bakit? Kanya-kanya naman tayo ng trip sa pagluluto. Si Kuya kasi nahihilig siya sa truffle sauce. So, lagyan natin itong spices ng truffle. Tapos, eto. Ang strong niya. Ito pa yung nabili ko. Tingnan niyo, ang dami pa. Konti lang kasi yung nilalagay nito. Kasi napaka, ano niya. Ano ba siya? Strong. So, ganyan lang. Si Holly na talagang wala pa dito sa bahay. Then pepper. Malasa na to kasi yung chicken, templado na. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng vegeta pag hindi pa malasa yung inyong sauce. O kaya, yung chicken cubes or chicken powder, kayo nang bahala. Yung sa akin, okay na siya. Maglagay lang ng konting pinch of sugar to balance. Ayan. Yan lang. Kasi ang lasa niya na. Kasi yung chicken, malasa yung chicken ng pulse. Hindi na ako. Try natin. Wrap. Lagyan mo konting asin. Diba? Diba? Mabilis ang sauce. Maglalagay din akong cream cheese na kalahati. Wait, bumitaw ka. Yan. Nauuhaw ako. May coke tayong kinuha dun sa bahay. Kung saan lagi siyang may pa-coke talaga every year. 100 pieces daw na soft drinks or cans ang nilagay niya rin dun, naubos. And 100 bags of lollies din. As in, padami ng padami ang bata dito every year. Kaya dito yung coke. Yung tayo ng coke. Habang hinihintay natin ito. Natikman ko muna. Kasi nilagyan natin siyang cream cheese eh. Ang lasa niya. Sarap. Yan siya, guys. Okay. Patayin na muna natin yan. Kasi malapit na siya. Ay! Bakit ka ganyan? Hala, hindi na ako marunong nito. Hala, paano na to? Kasi guys, hindi na tayo marunong magbukas ng coke kasi hindi na ako naggaganito eh. Paano na to? Cool. Mali. O, diba? O. Diba? Walang butas. Wait lang. Ano nangyari? Ay, nako. Ayun. Sarap. Pardon me. Nag-burp agad. Sarap ng Coke. Okay, tapos na guys. Ang pasta natin. Alfredo with truffle. Chicken Alfredo with truffle sauce. Truffle sauce. Truffle paste. Okay. Okay na to. Wala naman yung mga kakain. Si Jan lang nandito. Harap. Pwede rin siya yung parang soup lang guys. Ang sarap. Ayan siya. Napaka-creamy. Lalagyan ko pa pala itong 3 kinds of cheese. Kalimutan natin. Ito ba? Ayan.
I'm washing my bag.
Yeah, you have to wash your bag. Lalaban niya yung kanyang bag kasi binato siya ng ng eggs.
Get me some lollies.
You got lots there, yeah? May Sprite si Kuya. Isa lang naman yung nagbibigay ng drinks dito, yung bahay na pinupunta natin every year. Yes, thank you, hon.
It wasn't packed with shit.
Huh?
There wasn't that much people with shit.
Not much.
Yeah, there was people.
What are not much people? There's a house of people. We got more than 100 bags of lollies.
Yeah, but there's not much as last year.
No, because you weren't here. There's a lot of kids come here.
Oh,
Kasi ang aga niya umalis kanina, di ba? So, lagyan na natin tong sauce. Ayan yung ating pasta, guys. Oh. Ayan. Al dente. Okay. Tinikman na ni Jan. Approve. Yung instant sauce. Ilagay ko na ito lahat.
oh what's this?
This one, yeah. Pasta, your favorite one.
Yeah.
Favorite to ni Kuya eh. You wanna try?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's much because I've had too much sauce.
I know that.
Too hot.
Come here. Hot. Finish it. The sauce.
Yeah, it's good.
Where's Sakay, Kuya?
Oh, outside. Outside people and that.
Here, near us, or somewhere?
Down there.
Si Holly hindi pa rin bumabalik. Diba? Napaka creamy ng ating sauce. Look at this, yeah. You will love this, yeah. Yan, sisak na rinig ko na. Wala akong parsley para pang-garnish natin dito sa ibabaw sana. Okay. Done. Ito na si Sak. So, ayan na guys, yung ating pasta Alfredo. Chicken pasta Alfredo with truffle sauce. Truffle paste. Finally, nakaligo rin tayo. Umalis kasi si Jan, pero nandito na ulit siya. Pinatay niya na yung patubig niya dun sa glass. Okay. That's it. Give me plate, please. Holly. Dito rin si Holly.
That's my checklist. What I need to bring.
Si Sak, may checklist siya para sa kanyang camping. Dito na siya, oh.
Here, this one's mine.
Why small?
This one's Dad's. Just like carbonara. Truffle.
Yeah,
Did you
truffle.
say that? Go ahead.
Zach, tell me when to stop. Come on.
Is it chicken?
Chicken, yes, nice. More? Wash your hands. Kuya, you're blocking my vlog. Wash your hands, please.
Here, there's more.
Okay. Customer first. Customer. Okay, let me know when to stop, Kuya.
Yep, here you go.
Going. Sabi niyo, busog siya. How about this?
Here you go.
Keep going. You said you're full from lollies. Natikman niyo kasi. Okay. Daddy's plate, please. Daddy's plate. Holly. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na nakaligo na tayo. How about you?
I'm just gonna do it for you. That's
Yeah, get me that one. There's another plate.
this one.
Yeah. Han, are you hungry? You're going? Okay.
Where you going, Zach?
Adelaide.
Oh, that's right.
So come.
There's some medication.
First time you magka-come.
Lunch day, 3 sets.
Okay, Holly. Alright, ako mamaya na kasi uminom mo ng coke. Parang nabusog ako.
Hey.
So,
Is that my phone or is that yours?
sleeping bag.
You're
Kumakain na sila.
Optional cleaning gloves.
Ayan yung
Please do not
checklist
bring
ni Sam.
electronic equipment. Yeah.
You're done? You're full?
Fuck.
Okay. Tapos na sila mag-dinner. And si Holly and Stack, yan yung nakuha nilang chocolate this year.
Not any because.
You were late. Super late na siya kasi diba hinintay niya pa yung... Oh, yan lang. Mas marami last year siyang nakuha kasi maaga siya. And si Sak, where's yours? Oh, tingnan si Kuya.
Not much.
Not much. Ayan kay Kuya. So last year, mas marami silang nakuha.
I got more.
You got more? Yeah.
They're pretty much all wrappers.
Yeah. Si Kuya ayaw magpakita.
I'm bringing some still.
Yeah, some. Not all, okay? Ay, you know what? I forgot to put this one. Hala, may lollipop tayo, diba? Hala, nakalimutan ko yun ilagay.
Have them back now, Mom.
Yun ang nakalimutan kong ilagay, yung lollipop. Ha? Si Kuya. Nakaligo na yung boy, si Holly na lang maliligo.
These are bad. What you got?
Is it bad? Or is it sour? Holly got that one. What it tastes like?
Bad?
Gusto ko lang to dahil dyan sa kanyang itsura. What taste? What's the taste? Like sour? Oh, you forgot. So, huh? Sweet? Try it. Mayroon silang TikTok na maliit. Oh.
I'm gonna try this.
Go try. You're the one got that one. No, not that one. The other one. You don't have it? Yeah, give it to Holly. Is that the one, Zach?
Wait,
Let me lick it first.
let's try it at the same time. I already had it.
It's just sweet. Haha.
Okay. Mine's like
I just lick it. I didn't. Zach.
here. Guys,
You try.
I just.
I already have it. It's too sweet.
Okay, come on.
Okay, ready, guys?
Go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, is it bubblegum?
It's hard. Don't chew it.
Yes, it is.
Is it bubblegum?
Or is it?
Is it bubblegum, Kuya?
Is it like
I know.
candy when I...
Is it hard? Is it hard? You can chew it. What's the taste like? Just sugar?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Is that bad? Is it bad, yeah?
It's alright.
It's alright. Sabi ni Saka, ang pangit ng lasa.
Oh, God.
Okay, I don't know if we're still gonna drive in the... Do you wanna drive? Brody texted me that there's a nice house
Yes?
set up for Halloween. Do you wanna drive quick?
Where?
In the bay? Let's go. You and Holly?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Just a quick one. Dito na pala kami guys sa bay kung saan yung bahay ay puno rin ng Halloween decor. Kaso gabi na. Ayaw ni Sak bumaba. Eh, pwede naman bumaba. Natakot sa ang laki. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo. May malaking, ayan. Ayan. Nakakatakot siya. Kaso gabi na. Ayun, no, naka-costume pa nga sila sa, come on, go in. You don't want? Why are you scared? You don't have to be scared. Ayan, oh. Pinailawan niya ng, kasi nakita siguro kami. You're not going?
Go then. Go.
Come on, let's go. Hi. You still alright? Yeah, come on in, come on. Ayan, pasok tayo kasi pinailawan niya tayo. Ah, this one? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Did you get my phone? Nice. Oh my God, look at inside. Oh, beautiful. Oh no. Hi. Oh yeah, it will spin. Very nice. Okay, thank you.
You look very beautiful too.
Thank you. Go.
There you go, help yourself. Don't be bashful. Take a few.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's fine, no worries.
Hello, oh my God, look at you. I'm vlogging you. Is that alright? I'm vlogging you. Look at you. You are so beautiful. Smile. Oh my God. Thank you.
It's alright, thank you.
Oh my God. Bahay na tayo. And yung bahay na napunta natin, siya yung pinakamagandang decoration for Halloween. Ang ganda. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Pinicturean ko si Holly. Natakot siya dun sa labas. Yung insert ko na. Basta natakot siya dun. And binigyan siya ng madaming chocolates. Ayan. Binigyan siya ng handful. Binigyan siya nito. Ayan. So, end na namin yung vlog. Uy. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe if you haven't. See you on our next vlog. And guys,
Happy Halloween.
happy Halloween.
Bye.
Bye.
Wasted after daily struggles. Too much pills, her mouth full of bubbles. I can't escape, tangled in the dark place. They talked her in a body bag, we kept the pace. I feel like I'ma die tonight. Lost soul, I'ma die oblivious. Take me for granted, I won't fight. And I know you like it's obvious. Now we are one.